What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm sitting here editing the video that's going to be going up tomorrow. So it's Wednesday right now, I'm uploading on Thursday. And I realized I never really recorded an intro. So I figured I should probably put something at the beginning, so I figured I'd put this here. Just wanted to let you guys know I am sick in this video. So I sound very monotone, I don't sound like I have a lot of energy, and it's honestly because I didn't. So keep in mind that this was the first time I ever recorded myself on camera. So I'm a little uncomfortable in the video. I've watched it back a couple times and it's a little cringy. Also, I am going to be trying to upload 2 to 3 days a week. Most likely it's going to be something like Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday or Sunday. I haven't decided yet. They'll all be, I think I'm going to go with 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, keep a lookout on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturday or Sunday for videos at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah, why don't we get into the actual video? Enjoy. So this is my fully built S13 SR, so it's a red top, so non-VTC, just your basic run-of-the-mill SR20, but the internals, they are not basic, that's for sure. So the motor itself is a fully built bottom end and top end. So I'm just going to be doing some really basic work on the SR today, just start attaching all the accessories, and probably cleaning a lot of them up because the block itself and the head were painted, but everything else is kind of dirty, needs to be taken care of, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I already cleaned up, bolted up the new motor mounts. These are Circuit Sport solid or polyurethane, I can't honestly remember. So I just cleaned up the brackets, put the motor mounts on. Obviously these aren't fully installed because they have to go in the subframe. But yeah, so today I'm just gonna clean up a lot of brackets probably and start getting them installed. Okay, so the thermostat housing goes where that green tape is right there. That is on the intake side. So you have your thermostat housing comes here, and then the water neck off of it comes out this way. Okay, so for the thermostat housing, it doesn't actually, why isn't this closed? Come on, man. So the thermostat housing doesn't come with a gasket, so we have to make our own. Luckily the gasket set from Nissan comes with, get it to focus, alright, look at this. It comes with genuine Nissan gasket maker. Ooh, it's orange. So you just take the cap off, see that? Alright, it doesn't matter. So it's orange, and then we're just gonna put the lid on. We have to cut this. So if I go into my drawer, so if I just go ahead and grab myself, where's my good side cutters? I don't really have any good. So I'm just gonna cut it at like the first notch basically. Okay, that's good. Straighten it out. So I just cut it, the tip off, straightened it out, so now it's almost a circle. There we go. Okay, so we have a circle. Okay, so for this, we're just going to take our gasket maker and we're going to do a nice little bead. We're going to go all around here, and then we're going to go behind the bolts as well. You don't want to do too much or too little. And hopefully this isn't all frozen up. So it's just takes a little bit to get it started. So we're just gonna go around. I'm right-handed, so this is a little awkward, but okay, so it wasn't really coming out, so I just made the hole a little bit bigger. You can kind of see the orange in there. So I'm just gonna nicely see how I can do this. Can you see this? Oh, I'm blocking you completely. Nice. Should be doing this in front of you almost. Put you on my other side. Okay, so I'm just gonna squeeze this out. Super easy. So I'm just gonna start here. I'm gonna dab. Okay, so I forgot to record actually putting it on, but it is right on here. So the gasket is round, two 12mm bolts, and it was as simple as that. So dirty still, man. But yeah, so there's the thermostat housing on. It's on the intake side, obviously. And yeah, I think we're ready to move on. Okay, so we got the thermostat housing on. Now I think is a good time to start putting on the lines. I actually have to press something in, so I'm gonna do that right now, but I have to clean it up first, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is just a little press-in hose that we need to clean up. So I'm just gonna take some, I think it was 60. Nope. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some 80 grit sandpaper to it very lightly because it's aluminum, so I don't want to ruin anything. Okay, not the cleanest, but it looks better. And then when I was cleaning this, actually here. Okay, so while I was cleaning that up, I kind of just realized that it actually doesn't get shown. This is literally, the intake manifold goes right here, so that'll be under the cover of that, so there's really no point in cleaning it up. But I know it's there, so that's what matters. Because that's the thing too, is like, as much as everybody else isn't going to see it, I will, and I know it's there. So it kind of makes sense that I want my work to be as clean as possible. Just a personal preference. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of the red silicone and throw it on here. Alrighty, so I got that all silicone. Looks nice, looks nice. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a flathead screwdriver, put it on there, and tap it with my trusty Husky. Little tap there, little tap there, come on. Gonna go here again. On the outside, or inside, ooh. Ah. Ah. Okay, it's harder than it looks. Ow. Well, there goes all that. Silicone's okay. Alright, let's try that again. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. This is my brand new rubber mallet. I just took a chunk out of it. Ow. Okay. I think she's on. Now she's on. Okay, so that is on. I'm ready to go. I think it's in the right orientation because it bolts up to some lines that run right here. So all in here, lines run. I'll just back you guys up a bit. So all in here, the lines run and then they run around. So it's all like it's coolant lines, and then it does actually have the turbo line that goes for turbo. Oh, I don't know if it's feed or return, but we'll figure it out. Nice. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is this guy. It is right here. So it's this. It's the coolant temp sensor, I think. I'll probably just do this off camera because it's pretty easy. Silicone around and then put her on. Easy peasy. Okay, so I redid my work, added silicone, all that. So all of the inlets over here, or outlets, I'm not too sure, are ready to go. So now we're just gonna be able to throw this guy on. So yeah, you can see all the different outlets. This one goes to the press in, this one goes to the upper, and then this one goes to the lower. So press in, upper, lower. Should be good. Okay, so got all the lines on, don't mind this. Had a bit of a fight. So just tightening everything up. Got all that on, that wraps around the back. This is turbo feed. Yeah, this is the turbo feed line, so that's good. Yeah, other than that, so cooling on this side is basically all done. Now, unfortunately, that's kind of all I have time for today. I'm gonna try and get the manifold on tomorrow. I'll record, we'll see. I'll get it done as soon as I can. But yeah, for today, I think that's all I have. So I hope you liked it. Like I said, this is only the second video. Yeah, other than like my introduction. So this will be basically the second video. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see the SR when it's done. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.